If you're driving without a dash cam, you're taking a risk every single day. From accidents to insurance claims, having video proof can save you time, money, and stress. In this video, I'll show you the 15 best dash cams that actually deliver real performance. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below for the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest Auto Review Lab reviews. Number 1. VIOFO A229 Pro. If you want top-tier performance, the VIOFO A229 Pro is one of the best dash cams available right now. It records in true 4K on the front camera and includes a rear camera for full road coverage. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor delivers excellent night vision, making license plates and road details much clearer even in low light. It also comes with built-in GPS so you can track your speed and route, which is useful for insurance claims. The Wi-Fi feature allows you to quickly transfer videos to your phone without removing the memory card. On top of that, it supports advanced parking mode, keeping your car monitored even when you're away. Overall, this is a premium choice for drivers who want the best video quality and reliability. Number 2. Navycrest Dash Cam. The Navycrest Dash Cam is a budget-friendly option that still offers useful features for everyday driving. It includes both front and interior cameras, making it a good choice for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants to monitor inside the car as well. The loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by overwriting old footage automatically. It also includes a G sensor that locks important clips when sudden impacts are detected. While the video quality isn't as sharp as high-end models, it's still reliable for basic recording needs. The setup is simple, and the compact design doesn't block your view. If you're looking for an affordable dash cam with essential features, this one offers solid value. Number 3. VIOFO A119 Mini 2. The VIOFO A119 Mini 2 is perfect if you want a compact dash cam without sacrificing performance. Despite its small size, it delivers excellent video quality with a Sony Starvis sensor, especially in low light conditions. It captures clear footage of road signs and license plates, which is important for safety and evidence. One standout feature is voice control, allowing you to operate the camera hands-free while driving. It also includes parking mode for added security when your car is parked. The minimalist design makes it discreet and easy to install. Compared to bulkier dash cams, this one blends in better, while still delivering strong performance. It's a great option for drivers who prefer a clean and simple setup. Number 4. Garmin Mini 3. If you prefer something ultra-compact, the Garmin Mini 3 is a great choice. It's so small that it's barely noticeable on your windshield, but it still delivers reliable video recording with a wide viewing angle. It supports voice control, so you can save clips or take snapshots without touching the device. The Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to access footage through your smartphone. Although it doesn't have a built-in screen, everything is controlled through the Garmin app, which is simple and user-friendly. Installation is quick, and the device starts recording automatically when you drive. If you want a discreet dash cam with minimal setup and solid performance, this is a strong option. Number 5. WOLFBOX Mirror Cam. The WOLFBOX Mirror Cam offers a unique experience by combining a dash cam with a smart rear-view mirror. It features a large touchscreen display that shows both front and rear camera views in real time. The wide-angle lens captures more of the road, improving visibility and safety. It also includes reverse assistance, which helps during parking by providing a clear rear view. The video quality is sharp, and the overall interface feels modern and easy to use. Installation involves attaching it over your existing mirror, giving it a clean, integrated look. Compared to standard dash cams, this one adds extra convenience and functionality. If you want more than just recording, this is a great upgrade. Number 6. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW is one of the most advanced dash cams you can get. It records in true 4K and includes image stabilization, which keeps footage smooth even on rough roads. One standout feature is the built-in Alexa, allowing voice control for hands-free operation. It also includes What 3 Words integration, helping emergency services locate your exact position if needed. Night vision performance is excellent, and the build quality feels premium. The camera also supports parking mode, adding extra security when your vehicle is unattended. Compared to standard dash cams, this one offers more smart features and better overall performance. If you want cutting-edge technology in your car, this is a top choice. Number 7. Vantrue E1 Pro. The Vantrue E1 Pro is a compact yet powerful dash cam designed for everyday use. It offers high-resolution recording with strong night vision, ensuring clear footage in different lighting conditions. The small design keeps it discreet and doesn't block your driving view. It supports buffered parking mode, which records moments before and after an incident. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to easily transfer videos to your phone. The build quality feels solid, and the interface is easy to use. Compared to entry-level models, this one provides better clarity and more advanced features. If you want a reliable mid-range dash cam, this is a great option. Number 8. Affver Dash Cam. The Affver Dash Cam is designed for users who want basic functionality at an affordable price. It includes front and interior cameras, making it useful for monitoring both the road and the cabin. The loop recording feature ensures continuous operation without manual intervention. It also includes a G sensor that automatically locks important footage during accidents. While the video quality is not as sharp as premium models, it still performs well for everyday use. Installation is simple and the controls are easy to understand. If you're looking for a budget-friendly dash cam with essential features, this is a practical choice. Number 9. BlackVue DR970X. The BlackVue DR970X is a premium dash cam built for serious users. It offers 4K front recording and full HD rear coverage, delivering crystal clear footage. One of its standout features is cloud connectivity, allowing you to monitor your car remotely. The design is sleek, and the build quality is excellent. It also includes an advanced parking mode for continuous surveillance when your car is parked. Compared to most dash cams, this one provides more smart features and better reliability. If you want top-level performance and remote access, this is one of the best options available. Number 10. Neideso 3CH Cam. This dash cam provides complete coverage with front, rear, and interior cameras. It's ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants full protection from all angles. The triple-channel setup ensures that everything inside and outside the car is recorded. It includes night vision and parking monitoring for added safety. While it may not match premium models in video clarity, it offers excellent value for the features. Installation is straightforward, and the interface is user-friendly. If you want maximum coverage at a reasonable price, this is a solid option. Number 11. Galphi Dash Cam. The Galphi Dash Cam is a simple and affordable option for drivers who want basic protection. It records clear footage and includes a loop recording for continuous use. The built-in G sensor locks important clips during sudden impacts. It's easy to install and operate, making it suitable for beginners. While it lacks advanced features like 4K or Wi-Fi, it still performs reliably for everyday driving. If you want a no-fuss dash cam at a low price, this is a good starting point. Number 12. 3CH Dash Cam. This 3-channel dash cam offers front, rear, and interior recording, making it ideal for full vehicle coverage. It includes parking mode, loop recording, and a G sensor for safety. The triple camera setup ensures you capture everything happening inside and outside the car. While it's not a premium model, it provides strong value for its price. The installation process is simple and the controls are easy to use. If you want maximum coverage without spending too much, this is a solid choice. Number 13. ROVE R2 4K. The ROVE R2 4K is one of the most popular dash cams on Amazon. It records in 4K, delivering sharp and detailed footage during both day and night. It includes built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing you to manage videos easily through your smartphone. The wide-angle lens captures more of the road, increasing safety. It also supports parking mode for added security. Compared to other models in this price range, it offers excellent performance and features. If you want a reliable 4K dash cam without spending too much, this is a great option. Number 14. ROVE R3. The ROVE R3 is designed for users who want complete coverage. It includes front, rear, and interior cameras, making it ideal for rideshare drivers. The video quality is strong, and the wide-angle lenses capture a large field of view. It also includes parking mode and loop recording for continuous protection. The build quality is solid, and the interface is easy to navigate. Compared to dual dash cams, this one offers more complete coverage. If you want full protection inside and outside your vehicle, this is a great pick. Number 15. REDTIGER F7NP. The REDTIGER F7NP offers a great balance between price and performance. It records in 4K on the front camera and includes a rear camera for added safety. The night vision is strong, helping capture clear footage in low light conditions. It also includes GPS tracking and Wi-Fi connectivity for easy file transfer. The wide-angle lens ensures better road coverage. Compared to other mid-range dash cams, this one delivers excellent value. If you want a reliable dual dash cam with strong features at a reasonable price, this is a smart choice. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Check the links in the description to get the best deals on these dash cams and drive safer with the right choice.